Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your everyday host, Taxokos. Today I am here in the beautiful city of Brampton, where the Indian community is celebrating one of the most vibrant festivals in the world, Diwali, the Festival of Lights. Tonight's celebration brings together people from every walk of life, all united by light, joy, and culture.
How long have you been in Canada?
Almost 8 years.
Almost 8 years. And tell us about your experience celebrating Diwali in Kapurthala. And you can speak in Punjabi. I'm Punjabi ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦਾ
ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਵਿਆਹ ਸਜਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ।
Do you speak English? You're from Brampton?
Yes. Right across the street.
You live right across the street. You heard noise. You said, what the heck is going on? And you came over. Acha, are you a student here and what are you studying?
Practical nursing.
Practical nursing. All right, that's the only kind of nursing to learn, I guess, right? Very good. Are you enjoying being in Canada?
No, I was new.
What?
New here.
You're new here, I know.
Every year, the city of Brampton comes alive with light, color, and celebration. And this year was no exception. On October 20th, 2025, I joined thousands at Sesquicentennial Park for the Diwali Indian Cultural Festival, a night that truly captured the spirit of unity in diversity. Diwali, known as the Festival of Lights, celebrates the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. It's one of India's most cherished festivals, and here in Brampton, it has become a celebration for all cultures, faiths, and backgrounds. From classical dances to electrifying Bollywood performances, the stage was alive with rhythm and energy. Local Indian dance groups showcased incredible talent, each performance telling a story of heritage, joy, and togetherness.
And look at these wonderful people, folks. And then they have just plain old feet. I need thand hagi up, but they're doing a great job. Make some noise. George or Talia ho
Also a violinist for Babuman. Usto Ilava, she has also played with Burna Boy, S.V. Balasubramaniam, Mano, and WWE champion Shinsuke Nakamura. Are we ready now? Let's hit it off for Bridget and Heyman.
3, 2, 1.
Then came one of the highlights of the evening, a dazzling display of fireworks, followed by a breathtaking drone show that painted the night sky. It was technology and tradition merging beautifully, a spectacle that left everyone in awe.
Make some noise for the Brampton fireworks! Make some noise for Mark Patrick Brown and his incredible council! Yes, folks, we also have an incredible drone show.
Beyond the music, lights, and fireworks, Diwali in Brampton is about community, about people coming together, celebrating their roots, and sharing joy with others. The mayor of Brampton, Patrick Brown, joined the celebration, offering his support and appreciation to the Indian community for enriching Brampton's cultural landscape.
There are some big Diwali parties around the country, but in Brampton we have a goal to have the biggest, loudest, proudest Diwali party anywhere. And the fireworks show tonight, I'm told, will be the longest, biggest fireworks show in all of Canada. I think it's close to 12 minutes. It's going to be fantastic. And the drone show, I'm told, is going to be unrivaled as well. So enjoy the celebrations. And what a fun thing to do, to come together, to be together as a community as we celebrate Diwali and, of course, Bandi Chor Divas tomorrow.
Accompanying him were 4 city councillors, each sharing messages of unity and pride in the city's diversity.
But I always like to ask the councillors, before we have the fireworks, to share with us their favorite part of Diwali. So Councillor Tor, we're in your backyard. What's your favorite part of the Diwali celebrations tonight?
The best part about Diwali is watching all the faces here in the crowd, all the families that live in Brampton, all the kids that live in Brampton that are celebrating Diwali today. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੰਦੀ ਛੋੜ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ. And I'll pass it on to Navjeet. Let's hear from Navjeet. What's her favorite part about Diwali as well?
Thank you. My favorite part of Diwali is bringing families together. You know, we always have a busy life, but coming together during Diwali and celebrating and Bandi Chor Divas, it's a moment that you can never forget. Councillor Power, off to you.
As you can tell, the sweets. That's my favorite part of Diwali. But you know what? You guys are very quiet for a 12-minute fireworks special. So if you're not going to get loud, we're going to cancel them. Happy Diwali!
Councillor Vasante, your favorite part of Diwali?
Seeing the crowds here and knowing that they love living in Brampton.
There you go.
As the fireworks light up the Brampton sky, we are reminded that Diwali is more than just a festival. It is a message of hope, unity, and new beginnings.
5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for joining me for this unforgettable night. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories celebrating culture, creativity, and community right here on this channel. From Brampton to the world, this is your everyday host, Tak Sokos. Happy Diwali!